Made in the USA. Comes with 19 decals, assembled size 24.6 inch, swide x 45.6 inches high. Easy to apply, just peel and stick. Applies to any smooth surface. Wall decals are removable with no sticky residue. Top reviews from the United States. I love it. I place this in my office because I enjoy Wonder Woman that much, lol. Not as large as I thought it would be, but definitely good size. I changed my mind on where I wanted it and removed it from one wall and placed it on another. Peeled off easy and stuck to the other wall with no issues. I didn't have any issues with tearing. The stickers have decent thickness to them.